So the today recipe, I'm gonna show you one of the best recipe of the French cuisine. You can call it a pomme sauté. So in French term is pomme de terre, that means is potato. Alright, say the pomme. So the pomme is apple in French term. So the pomme de terre is potato. So today I'm gonna show you one of the best recipe of pomme terre sauté. So basically the sauté is one of the best cooking method in which we are using a very less amount of oil and we can toast our product in a very less time with seasoning, salt, pepper. Okay, so let's start. In pomme de terre sauté we require first key ingredients is potato like pomme. For tempering we require olive oil, and the seasoning we can use in a white pepper powder. You can also use a black pepper powder. Then salt, and for garnish in fresh parsley. So this is a very easy recipe. So let's start. I will show you the further process. So in this, first we require a potato. So first we can peel the potato. So guys, basically the pomme sauté is a complement, you can say is a side dish. So we can cut into the roundel shape like this. So you can see the pieces of potato. So the pieces we require in this preparation, then we can put into the cold water. So you know very well the inside of the potato is a starch, so that's why we can put into the cold water. Okay. So guys, remember for this thing, whenever you cut the potato, you can peel the potato, you can cut the potato. So make sure you can put the potato into the cold water so that you can avoid the black color. You know, sometimes is getting a black color of the potato. That's why we can put into the cold water of our potato, because inside of the potato is starch. So after some time, like 5 or 10 minutes, your potato is getting a black color. So to avoid for this step, you can add your potato into the cold water so that you remain the color of your potato. Okay, so that's why we can put into the potato in cold water. So first we can take a pan, then add water, and we can just parboil the potato. We can just cook the potato on a 80 or 85%, and the rest we can just saute into the oil. Okay, so we can just parboil the potato. So this is the method of parboil. So now I'm gonna add potato, and we can just cook the potato in 80 or 85%, and the rest we can cook into the oil like in saute method. So now our potatoes maximum the cook is 80 or 85%. So now switch off the gas. Now we can remove the potato with the helping of perforated spoon and keep on the another bowl. And if your potato is more than cooked in 85%, so make sure you can add into the running water so that the temperature is cooled down. So now I will show you the further process of sauté. So in sauté method, first we need a pan, for non-stick pan. Then I'm going to add olive oil into the pan. So in this method we can just use a very less amount of oil. So now the sauté method we can use in a very less amount of oil. So first we can heat the oil into the pan. Then add potato. So we can just wait for the heating the oil into the pan. So then I'm gonna add potato and the saute for 2 minutes. Then seasoning, salt as per the taste, and the white pepper powder. You can also use black pepper powder, and toast well. Then fresh parsley. Well. So we already cooked the potato 85% into the water. Now we can just cook in a 15% of the oil. So now the potato is done. Now switch off the gas and we show you the plating of palm saute. Now I'm going to show you the plating of the palm saute. So we can just put the potato one by one into the platter. Then we can sprinkle more parsley. So this is a very easy recipe, guys. You can see the how it look like of the palm saute. So basically we can serve this recipe of as a compliment. So I hope you well understood while watching this video the how you will make a palm saute. So thank you so much everyone.